सभी को नमस्कार। अयं प्रातः समयः अस्ति। सर्वाश्च स्वकीयान् विचारान् चिन्तयन्ति। केचन दृष्ट्वा एव योजनाः प्रस्तुतिं कुर्वन्ति। एतत् सत्यं यत् यदा योजना प्रस्तुतिर्भवति तदा अस्माकं कार्यं कदा भवतु नाम एका योजना आवश्यकी भवति। एषा योजना नवीना नास्ति। पञ्चविंशतिवर्षेभ्यः पूर्वम् अथवा 24 पूर्वं यं योजना एव प्रस्तुता आसीत्। सर्वे पश्यन्ति। This is a planning work not done now. 24 years back or more than that, it was planned by Aurobindo Ashrama under the leadership of Dr. Nagendra, who was in charge of collecting and collating these facts for betterment of the Sanskrit education and to enhance with ideas to the friends, those are working or who are working in the different corners of India. Data make us lively. Let us read the first data, that is Sanskrit Bhasha. विश्व वाङ्मयेषु संस्कृतं श्रेष्ठरत्नम् इति न केवलं भारते अपितु समग्र विश्वे एतद्विषये निर्णयाधिकारिभिः जनैः स्वीकृतम्। It is a fact that in the whole India it is accepted by the scholars like this. Whenever they have accepted, then these are plus points for us. Moreover, it is continued. व्याकरण ध्वनि शास्त्र दृष्ट्वा विश्वस्य कापि भाषा संस्कृतवत् उन्नता नास्ति. Its phonetics is marvelous. संस्कृत भाषायाः प्राचीनाः अत्युच्चकोटिकाश्च रचनाः स्वीये गुणे स्वीयोत्कर्षस्य विषये प्राचुर्ये च शक्तिशालिनी मौलिकत्वे ओजसी सौन्दर्ये च सारतत्वे कौशले रचनाशिल्पे च वाक्शक्तेः वैभवे औचित्ये आकर्षणे च स्वभावनाक्षेत्रस्य औदात्ये वैशाल्ये च विश्वस्य महावाङ्मयेषु अतिस्पष्टतया अप्रसंग अग्रपंक्तौ विराजन्ते. अग्रपंक्तौ विराजते. All these are just like our main points. Those are placed, I can say, in the prelude of all the activities, as if these are the main points. Whenever we go into this, all these points come to our mind. So these are very important for us, because we are the helpers. We are helping people to grow up, children to grow up, people to grow up. We cannot believe that now old people of our age, particularly completed engineering line, they are coming here learning Sanskrit to know Bhagavad Gita. So it is a plus point for Sanskrit. And whenever such a scope is coming, we should not deny, rather we should give a party. Just like many of our friends are helping in different forums, different societies, registered societies to work for the public. All are working. So naming is not important, work is important. We should believe in hard work. Moreover, young bhasha युगपद भव्या संस्कृत भाषा भव्या अस्ति अतिरमणीया अस्ति मधुरता परिपूर्णा अस्ति नमनीया. Our head comes downward whenever we think about her importance, particularly of Sanskrit language. Ojashwini, very great charging words are there. Great sentences are there, big concepts are there. We cannot challenge on that, unchallengeable. Sunispanna, words are properly, they are formed following grammar. Samriddha, they are very rich. Prana sparsini sukshmaj, touching our hearts, and also they are very subtle. In addition to this, our great institute, Aurobindo Ashram, which is working for the promotion of Sanskrit, they also hold their view that Maharshi Paninina Virachita Ashtadhyayi iti Samskrita Vyakaranam Adhunapi Bharate Videshesu cha Bhasha Vajjaninam Prerana Sthanam Vartate. Idam Bharatiya Bhashanam Abhivriddhau na kevalam sampratam bhavi kale api mahat sahayam karishyati. Not only it is important now, in future also it will be helpful to us. Prasangesmin pracharyaha Raghuviraha kathayati. A great scholar Raghuvir gives his views. Those are very important. With this, we will be coming to little end of this topic, Samskrita Bhasha. Okay, what is Raghuvira? What has he highlighted? What Raghuvira has highlighted for us? Panini and Patanjali cast the eternal linguistic mold of India. You know, it is because of linguistic how we make words in grammar. One idea is there, it is multiplied into many because of annexing many things. You can say prefix, suffix, infix, lot of things are there. We can mix them, out of which flow in unbounded measure the expressions for the minutest and vastest percepts and concepts which man has or will grasp in his pursuit of knowledge of the texture of the universe. You can take many complementary books to grow up our idea in this concept. I am also presenting the same thing for our awareness and for our, I can say, very thinking on this matter, or presenting the same thing with our new planning and skill in course of time. Okay, thank you very much. Namaste.